In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth section over here and tap on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the chosen one. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device and choose Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can connect to the same one by selecting Pair New Device again, clicking on it and selecting Pair in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!